Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about 2024 Tesla Model 3. 2024 Tesla Model 3 is a sleek and stylish electric car that has received some nice updates for the new year. Here's a quick rundown of what you can expect. Exterior: subtle but impactful styling refresh. The front end has been redesigned with a smoother look, and there are new alloy wheel designs to choose from. More premium materials. Tesla has used higher quality materials throughout the exterior, making the Model 3 feel more upscale. Quieter cabin. More sound-deadening materials and acoustic glass have been used to create a quieter and more comfortable driving experience. Interior. Updated materials. Interior has also been upgraded with higher quality materials, including new seats with ventilation. New steering wheel. The steering wheel has a softer feel and incorporates touch-sensitive buttons for the turn signals and other controls. Improved center console. The center console has been redesigned with a built-in wireless phone charger, a sliding tray with real metal handles, and a powerful 65-watt USB-C charger. Performance. 3 trim levels. Model 3 comes in 3 trim levels: rear-wheel drive, long range, and performance. Improved range. The long-range model now has an estimated driving range of 341 miles, which is an increase of 13 miles over the previous model. Faster acceleration. The performance model is even faster than before, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 3.1 seconds. Price. The price of the 2024 Tesla Model 3 starts at around $40,630 for the rear-wheel drive model and goes up to $55,000 for the performance model. Overall, the 2024 Tesla Model 3 is a significant improvement over the previous model. It's more stylish, more comfortable, and has a longer range. If you're looking for a premium electric car, the Model 3 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more car-related content.